There was an integer between 3 and 4. Anyone who could find it would unlock the path to time travel. After a famous genius mathematician proposed this idea, he was immediately locked in a mental hospital. To treat him, the psychiatrist poured a jar of jelly beans onto the coffee table and asked him to use them to show that integer. The mathematician quickly placed the first 3 jelly beans, but when he picked up the 4th one, he froze. His eyes turned blank. The doctor told him the idea was impossible, but the mathematician suddenly became angry. He begged the doctor for a pen so he could write down a formula to prove the number. The doctor refused without hesitation, but the mathematician saw a marker lying on the floor. He secretly picked it up. Before the nurses took him away, he grabbed a handful of jelly beans. He was locked inside room 304. After the doctor ended the session and got off work, he noticed that the time it took to go from the 4th floor to the 3rd floor felt unusually long. This made him think of the mathematician's idea, so he began reading papers and replaying the recorded session. The mathematician had said he was not the first to discover the idea. Others had found it too, but they were called crazy. He claimed the universe had 10 dimensions, but humans were like ants. No matter how far they climbed, they could only feel a flat surface. They could not touch other spaces. That integer between 3 and 4 was the key for humans to break through space. These words confused the doctor. He decided to get some air at a bar, but his mind kept returning to the thought. Suddenly, a peanut on the table cracked open. When he turned his head, he was shocked to see the mathematician outside the window, writing formulas. He ran after him, but the mathematician disappeared. Then, a television suddenly appeared in front of him. On the screen, a news report was playing. A man had died in a car crash. The police could not confirm his identity. Right after that, a young boy appeared before him. The doctor was stunned. It was himself as a child. Suddenly, he woke up. It had all been a dream. Just then, he got a phone call. A nurse said the mathematician had escaped, but room 304 had never been opened. The doctor rushed there and was shocked to find the room filled with formulas. On the floor, there was a pen cap. He suddenly remembered a car accident from his childhood. A man had died in that crash. At the scene, there was a marker with no cap, and a few scattered jelly beans. His thoughts were interrupted. The nurse saw 3 jelly beans on the table and picked one up to eat. The doctor tried to stop him, but it was too late. The next moment, something strange happened. 3 jelly beans appeared on the table again. At that moment, the doctor understood everything. The mathematician had truly found that hidden number. He had traveled back in time, but died in that car crash.